This Dutch pour flower dried amazing. The color combination is so beautiful. Green, yellow, white, and on the beautiful sky blue background. Wow, this piece looks so amazing. Do check out today's creation video. You're gonna love it. Hello everyone, this is your girl Camile. I want to say welcome back to my channel. Today I'm working on a 20 by 20 inch canvas and I want to do another beautiful Dutch pour spin out flower. I'm so excited to try this color combination, you know, some yellow, some green, and of course white on this beautiful light blue background. This green that I'm using right now is a green by Golden, and it's beautiful. It's a light green. The yellow is a bright, nice, deep yellow by Amsterdam, and of course that white that I'm adding is also by Amsterdam Titanium White. And this is just a beautiful color combination, guys. And you know, I'm just going with this beautiful background and just want to light things up by using the sky blue background and adding some white to it as well. I really do hope you guys enjoy the video. It's going to be a short one today, and you know, let me know in the comment section what you think about this one. And of course you will see me how I, you know, had to tweak the middle of the flower here. And you know, I always tell you guys, just make it your own, you know, have fun with it. You know, it's art, and a lot of times you have this idea in your mind, and you know, when you blow it out or spin it out, you know, it might not come out the way you want. Like right now I'm just looking at it because I'm doing this voiceover, and I can tell that, you know what, it was off centered. I had a little bit too much paint, and yeah, so when I was spinning it out, the flower was not centered, but it's okay. You don't have to do your art symmetrical, okay? It's fine. I do love it. I do love the frilliness. I do love the white in here. It brightens this piece. And like I was mentioning earlier, that I had to tweak it a bit. The green in the middle was a bit too heavy. That's emerald green by Artist Loft. So I was dipping my finger in it to bring the white out or the yellow out a bit, you know. So, and I think I achieved the look I wanted. So bear with me, guys, and I do hope you enjoy the video. If you do, don't forget to give this one a thumbs up, you know, share with your friends and family. And if you haven't subscribed as yet, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, hit all, so you're notified each time I post a new video. And I really do appreciate you guys. Thank you so much, and I will see you for the close-up of the wet result and the dried result. Thank you. Here it is, the close-up of the wet result. The colors, guys, the colors are so beautiful. I love how light and, elegant and beautiful this piece look. And of course, the center looks amazing. You can see the white coming through, how I dipped my finger in, and had too much emerald green there, and I wanted to bring the color out. Loving it. That light green by Golden, it was beautiful and it blends so nice with the yellow. It's amazing. I do love this piece, and it's so soft. This flower is so soft, and it's like a delicate little flower. You could see a lot of movements in here. It's really swaying, it's really blowing, maybe in the sky, whatever it is, that beautiful background. I'm so in love with this piece. Guys, what do you think about it? And of course, here it is, dried. I have it on my fireplace. There's no finish on it as yet. There's no resin or varnish, but this piece dried beautiful. The colors are beautiful. I do love it. Let me know what you guys think about this one in the comment section below, and of course, give this video a thumbs up if you do like it. All right, you guys, and yeah, check out my playlist, and I will see you next time on Camile Amoy Art. Bye.